All right. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our webinar for tonight. So, can you just please confirm if my audio is okay? Can everyone hear me before I continue? Because maybe I'm keep on talking and talking, but no one is no one is hearing me. Everything is okay, my friends. Can you confirm to me in the chat? No? All right. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's webinar. Can you confirm to me if my audio is okay? Everyone can hear me? Can you confirm to me in the chat, please? Hello? Hello? Hello, guys. Okay, can everyone hear me? Is my audio fine? Okay, very good. Okay, welcome for tonight's webinar. All right, I see some familiar names here. Joven, is that you? Mr. C or Miss? I don't know if you are a male or a female. Sorry. April, Mom April, hello, welcome for the webinar tonight. Mr. Leon and one guy just left, I think. Okay, so anyway, I hope the rest are just a little late and they'll be able to join us very soon, huh? All right. So tonight we will reveal another secret sauce, my friends. Okay. So how's your Malaysian SNR going on? How's the strategy? Any any profits you made with that strategy so far? I think Leon is present in the past weeks regarding that subject. Are you starting to use that strategy now, Mr. Leon or Mr. C? Because, as I told you, my friend, that is the strategy to rule them all. Okay. Of course, there's many strategies we can use in forex, but for me, that is really, I think, number one. Okay, or the icing on the cake. Anyway, I hope there's something coming for you there using that strategy. All right. But tonight it's a different one. And this is also a profitable strategy if you will put this into practice, like like really get serious about this. Okay. And, it's just a matter of, putting together all the past lessons in one concept, okay, and becoming a strategy altogether. So let's start for the main content. All right. Number one, introduction about trading like the institutions. All right. So when we say institutions, it's the big banks, okay, hedge funds, all these bodies where they participate in forex, and we will now, you know, at least get some understanding how they are trading. All right. So who are the smart money, the retail traders trap, smart money concepts or SMC, as we all know, how to spot the SMC moves. And number six, identify liquidity above a swing high or even a swing low. And, price spikes, sometimes you will just notice there's a big spike of price action, okay, leaving a wick, a very long wick. All right. When you see such thing in the chart, it's usually a grab, huh? Or you know, like liquidity. All right. Identify the change of character or chalk and some risk management in the end. Okay. As we all know, we need to manage our risk to protect our capital. So with that said, let's start now. All right. So as you all know, we have a secret giveaway alert every time. There's a 50% deposit bonus from Algoter. If you deposit 100, you get 50, 500, you get 250, and 1,000, you will get $500 extra. How nice, my friends. All right. Who will give you $500 extra? I think even your best friend didn't give you $500 unless they are very rich family. So avail, my friends. Spread this to your friends, your family who might be interested in this, and they can get the chance of a lifetime. No other broker will give you a 50% deposit bonus, right? So avail. I believe some of you or majority of you have availed this, but for those who didn't avail, start now, okay? With at least $100. Then by next time, you will increase that to 500 until, you get more of this 50% deposit bonus. All right, my friends? All right. Moving on, trading like institutions. All right. Institutional traders have one major advantage over retail traders. So who are the retail traders? You and me, the small people. All right, ordinary people, deep liquidity access, and order execution strategies that reduce market impact. Huh? Deep liquidity access means, unlike retail traders, okay, placing small positions, yeah, we start with even with 0.01. All right. Institutional players manage massive order sizes. Okay. We'll talk millions. All right. Often thousands of contracts at a time. But trading in large size isn't as simple as clicking buy or sell, huh? As you will understand later on. The key to trading like an institution is understanding how liquidity interacts with price movement and learning how to position yourself alongside big money instead of against it. Yes, because we cannot fight these big institutions. We are here, all right, every time you sit in the chart and look at in the chart, okay? You are not there to fight this big institution. We are there to ride their trend. Okay, wherever they are going, we are just going to follow. That's it. It's a simple explanation, okay? Because against millions or hundreds of millions of dollars, there's no way a retail trader can. Even the most profitable trader, okay, they cannot compete with these large institutions. Hello, Mr. Zoom user, sir. Welcome. Welcome for tonight. Hope you can catch up. All right. Very good. So, insights, institutions, banks, hedge funds move the market. Okay. You know, a 50 pip candle, okay? No retail trader can do this. It's the banks that's doing that. All right. So once you see that, it means these banks or hedge funds had entered the market, and now it's up to us either to follow them or wait for some more confirmation. It's all depends on the trader. All right. So once you see these big spikes of market, big candles, all right, it's these people. All right. So retail traders often trade against them. So goal now is to learn to recognize institutional traps. All right. Because sometimes your bias is going up. Okay. But you see, these retail traders are pushing the price down. Okay, market starts to reverse on you, and then you did all your analysis, and then suddenly uh, it stopped you. Okay, it hit your stop loss, and now because they are doing something you don't know. All right, they're going for that liquidity, and once they get all that, they will praise. It will trigger all their orders, buy or sell orders, and then it will eventually go to that same direction. All right, so very important. All right, now so who are smart money? Okay, large financial institutions, hedge funds or banks move markets with big capital. Okay, like millions to hundreds of millions. All right, uses liquidity hunting strategies. Okay, liquidity hunting strategies. All right. So when there's an equal high or an equal low, there where if there's an equal high, where do you put your stop loss? Above that price. So everyone is putting their stop loss above that price, 20, 30, 50 pips above that, and these institutions will go there hitting those stop loss. All right. Once it's hit, it will eventually go to the opposite direction. All right. So very easy to understand, right? As you will see this later in the chart. Okay, the retail trader's trap. Placing stop losses near obvious highs and lows. Huh? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? For example, let me pull up the chart. All right. So for this example, where can I find this? Okay. Okay, for example, this price action here. Okay, this is in the 15 minute. So this is quite a long time to wait, huh? Like 30, okay. This is 1 hour. This is 1.5, 2 hour. Okay, 2 hour and 15 minutes of sideways. And you will know, okay, if everyone is selling on the way down there. All right, so where you will put your stop loss if you are a seller here? You will put your stop loss here, right? You will put your stop loss there above the price, right? You will put your stop loss there. I don't know, about 50 pips. Okay, let's have some short position here. like that, right? You start to sell, you want to target Asia's low, but look what the institutions have done here. They manipulated this all the stop loss there, all right, because they want to push. Okay, because by that time, okay, you are going negative. Maybe you are making some money here, but it didn't reach your take profit here, and then it start to reverse on you, and then hitting your stop loss altogether. Bye bye. Now time to go for the real move. And then suddenly it went there hitting your take profit. And now you are crying, all right, with your hard earned money. That's the easy explanation there, my friends. All right. So they are placing their stop losses near the obvious highs or lows. So entering trades too early on the breakout. All right. Because you know, when they will see this, it's breaking out, I need to buy. But when you place your buy position here, okay, now you want to buy thinking this is going to reverse now. Because, oh, now you lost all your profit here. You put your stop loss there. All right. And now it went now to the opposite direction and now leaving you more negative here and now earning your account altogether. So very important, my friends. Okay, we need to see some of these signs. I should say, some signs. See the high and there. Liquidity grab. Okay, following false moves before reversals. So be very careful when you see such thing, in the chart. All right. Smart money concepts. You need some, you need to see at least these four things here. Okay, liquidity pools. What is liquidity pool, my friend? When I say a pool, okay, it's this equal highs or equal lows like this. This is the pool. Because now, when the institutions have seen this such thing, okay, a sideways here, all right, and then now they know because no price action is going there. So now everyone wants to sell. So when they see such thing, they will go there. They will manipulate this, okay? Triggering all your stop loss and then before going to the real move. All right, that's what we call it liquidity pools, okay? What else? Stop hunts. This is the stop hunt. You are just hunted, stopping you. All right? Order blocks and the fair value gaps. You know, now you know the fair value gaps. I believe so. Otherwise, we have to go. We have to go back. All right, order blocks. Okay, what are order blocks? Anyone here? Anyone can describe to me what is an order block? What is an order block, my friend? You know, my friend, when you hear such terminology in forex, right? Fair value gap, stop hunt, fair. What else? Order blocks. All right. You need to do something in your own. Research this in YouTube or in Google, anything. Chat. Now we have AI, Chat GPT, something to give you, okay, some of this information. Because now I cannot believe you cannot tell me what is an order block. If you are trading for like months now, okay, you need to have some idea about this. But until now, you cannot answer me this very simple question. Something is not right, my friend. Okay, you are not giving your 100%, even your 99%, if that is the case. Order block, all right? There's a green and a red. Ah, sorry. What is this, my friend? For a for a bearish order block, you need to see one green candle and one red candle, okay, engulfing the green candle. Or you can say this is the bearish engulfing pattern. Why? My friend, when you see a sudden spike of a big candle like this on the opposite direction, okay, it means there's a lot of orders that filled this. That's why it created this longer candlestick here. All right. So it means the sellers have taken over, okay, the market at that specific time. All right. And pushing this, okay, maybe creating more red candle here to the downside. All right. So where is the block? Okay. The block is there. The first candle to the left. All right. You drag that to the right side. All right. And then price, all right, tends to go back to this order block. All right. Making the change of character there and suddenly going to the reversal direction, reverse direction. You will see this in the chart, huh? Because you are not observant. You are not observing much of these things. Okay, you are just thinking, oh, it's going down. Okay, let's go down. It's going up. Okay, let's go down. But there is a story why this is happening. All right. So that is the order block. The opposite bullish one. Okay, you will see a red one here, and you will see a very big green candle there like this. Okay, there. And this is the order block on the opposite direction. Okay. Price tends to go back to this order block and then reverses. Okay. Now this is the buyers have overtaken the market in this case, and then price goes to the moon. Huh? That's the simplest explanation there. All right. I hope you will not forget that. Huh? All right. All right. Trading like it's okay. Liquidity pools. Okay. In the liquidity pool, okay, areas where retail stop losses accumulate. Huh? Areas where retail stop losses accumulate. Huh? Just like I told you, it's accumulating there. This is the liquidity pool. All right. Very nice. Above resistance, right? Above resistance. This is resistance. You put your stop loss there. Or below support. So it can be on the support side also. Maybe here. No, I need to find some example. Okay, like for example here, you'll put your, this is a support here. Okay, you put your all your stop loss there. Okay, but yeah, you want to target, for example, you started buying there. Okay, you put your stop loss there and you want to target this London session high or maybe Asia. Usually, that's the logical explanation there. Okay, the logical thing to do is to put your take profit there. But halfway it went down, hitting your stop losses there as a buyer, and now you are crying. And suddenly it went on the way there. Okay, that's one example. Okay, that's just one example. That's very easy to understand, right? Institutions push price to trigger the stop losses, right? Just like this. Order blocks, okay, last bullish, bearish candle before strong move. Just what I told you. Last bearish candle, okay. No, this is bearish, so it should be red. I need to understand them. I need to everything show you some visualization just for you to understand. Last bearish candle before an strong move acts as institutional entry zone, right? High probability reversal areas. Yes, because I told you it will reverse there. Price will go there, right? Like this. And then it will go. Bye-bye. Very easy, right? Order blocks. Now, hello, Mr. Nani, sir. Welcome to the webinar. I hope you can you can catch up. You can always watch this in Algoter's YouTube channel later on. All right. So, okay, Zoom users, sir, which more effective, OB only or with FBG? Well, the order blocks, okay. I don't know if I didn't count them which one is appearing most of the time, right? Either the order block or the FBG. But I believe the order blocks are appearing most of the time than the FBG. Yeah, I believe so. But they could be, very close. Maybe 50-50 or 60-40. Not 50-50. Maybe 60-40. Maybe 60% order block, maybe 40% FBG is coming in in every trend. All right. So, for example, just look at this example I have shown you. Bearish and then a strong move or a longer bearish candle, red candle, right? Isn't it? You mark this. Look, price went there and then because it's an order block, going to that order block and then forming this very strong trend to the downside now. Okay, that's the order block. But on the way down here, where is the FBG? This is an FBG. This is an FBG, right? And look, price went there and went to that FBG. Same concept, huh? Same concept. If we stretch this, okay, it didn't reach this FBG. So this is the one it respected. So that's why there's something going on there, huh? Especially with these long candles like this. There's always an FBG there. This FBG going to that FBG and then going to the reversal. Right, my friend? So I hope that that answers your question. Huh? Some say if there's an OB but no FBG, the OB is invalid. Is that true? Some say if there is OB but no FBG, the OB is invalid. Let's see, yeah. Let's see what you mean. OB is invalid, you are saying, huh? Let's see. Clearly, this is an order block. This green before this red candle. And price went there. All right. So you're saying something if there's OB but no FVG, the OB is invalid. So before that or after that OB has formed there, price went there. And it's forming this FVG, my friend. So the more this is valid, there's one FVG and one FVG again there. If we will go one by one there, maybe yes, there's more there. No, this is not an gap. What else? On the way down here, okay, there is nothing here, but maybe this. Yes, there's another FVG, but very small. So it doesn't matter. Huh? Whoever told you that, I don't know what the. Because you see, if this is a FVG and it's respected by this price action here, so everything is respected. This OB is respected, this FVG is respected, but maybe, yes, some of the FVG. Yes, this is FVG, didn't go there. But nevertheless, there is always an FVG getting supported, okay? Because in Forex, we only trade what we see. When we see an FVG, we are always thinking or assuming price will go there. And it went there. And it went to that FVG there, my friend. Tap this and go to the opposite direction. Huh? All right. I hope that answers your question. Now, moving on, the stop hunt sudden move against retail positions, right? Triggering stops before reversing. Clears liquidity for institutional entries. Yeah, just like this, okay? Very quick. And it's a week, leaving the week there, nobody kind of closing there. And then very big bearish engulfing there to the downside. Another bearish engulfing. So this is really the plan since the order block formation here. The institutional traders have found this, okay? They spotted this OB and they're now seeing the stop losses here being placed. So we will go there, my friend. Bye bye. And then to the intended direction, the real move. Manipulation, my friends. So take care when you see such thing and you are targeting this and then you are seeing a reversal halfway, then, and then expect the unexpected. All right. Fair value gaps, price imbalance left behind. Institutions often return to fill gaps. Huh? Just like I showed you, institutions will fill this gap there. You see? Going to the downside. Huh? Very nice. Used as confluence for entries. Yes. Some people, okay, maybe they miss this one or they are not very sure what they are doing here. But when they see the gap, they see the FVG there, this is my chance. They will wait. You know how long it took them in the 15-minute time frame from this point of waiting. Let's say it broke this FVG. Okay, another okay. It needs three candles. Okay, one, two, three. So when this third candle has finished, they see the gap. They will make this line, and then they will start waiting. Okay, from this until it reached that point there. That's 51 bars. That's 12 hours and 45 minutes of waiting. Did you wait 12 hours today? Or maybe 1 full hour? Did you wait 1 full hour today in the chart? I doubt it, my friend. Huh? My friend, this forex, I'm telling you, it's not for everyone. No one or majority is not waiting 12 hours, 30 minutes for this to happen. Or let's move the measurement here. Maybe okay, you found this. Okay, it taps this. Maybe you cannot wait anymore. That is still 11 hours, 11 hours 45 minutes of waiting just to enter the trade. Okay, so that's why. Okay, these strategies I'm revealing to you, it's not for everybody. Do you think this strategy will work for you every day or for the rest of your trading journey? Then use it by all means. But some people, okay, will just pick and choose the easiest one to master. I don't know if you are giving your very best to this. Hello, Mr. Jerome. Welcome, Sarah. Welcome. And Mr. Bibo. All right, sir. Welcome to the webinar. I hope you can catch up. So again, what I'm saying here is this forex is not for everyone because only the committed ones here, okay, will be rewarded. Okay, so that this is very easy example. Fair value gap. They will start to wait here until it reach this point here. That's how many hours? 11 hours, 47 bars of 15-minute action, huh? 15-minute time frame. Every candle is 15 minutes, so it took them 11 hours. Can you wait 11 hours just watching this? Or maybe maybe you know now how to do the timers, okay, or alert, sorry. You can do the alerts, huh? Create alert. The price will hit 1.6, 1.1604 maybe, and then it will alert you in your phone. Then maybe, yes, this is a cheat code. But still, for 11 hours, 45 minutes, you didn't place a trade. It means you are still waiting. Only the alert, yes, only the alert has alerted you or informed you that the price has come to this area. Maybe you want to trade now. All right. So that's the point. Huh? Patience, patience, everything is patience because patience, okay, will protect you in the long run. All right. So that's it. That's all the explanation there, huh? So moving on, my God, time is really fast. So how to spot SMC moves? Smart man, look for liquidity grabs, huh? So identify the change of character. There are the chalk, mark OBs and FVGs. Now you know how to mark them. I've shown you that. Trade in alignment with the trend. So if it's going to the downside, then you sell. If it's going to the upside, you buy, huh? Very easy, my friend, huh? Okay, identify liquidity above swing high. For example, this one, there's the liquidity there. You see the equal highs there. If there's always an equal high, there's some liquidity going on. Okay? And then once it found that, it went there and then went to the downside. Huh? Just like this. Okay? This is the zoom in version of this one. So there's clearly an equal high here. So they put all the stop loss here. And look what happened. Bang! Liquidity. And then it reversed. Huh? Price spikes to grab stops. Identify the change of character. So once it's done, okay, they killed every seller here now, and then the chalk happened here. Change of character, right? So the more it goes down, so that's how you will know, huh? I hope you can manage this now by yourself, huh? How to spot the chalk. All right. Once that has happened, reversal from OB with FVG as target. So there's a chalk, all right? And then on the way there, on the retest there, after the chalk, there's the red, and I hope you can see it. Huh? There's the red, and this is the green, and then there's the red candle. Okay, the green candle, you mark that as the order block, and it went there and then sold to the downside with this FBG as the targets, right? Very easy. That's it. That's the whole strategy for this one, my friend. Liquidity, chalk, order block, target the FVG down there if there's any. Otherwise, you will target the key levels. I will show you later on. So the trade idea: identify liquidity above a swing high or swing low, price spikes to grab those stops, right? Like this. Okay. What else? Sorry. Wait for the change of character. I've shown you there. Wait for the character there. Reversal from OB with FBGS target. Entry in kill zone session. All right. So you will see later on this kill zone. All right. Lastly, risk management. Always trade with the plan. You just, for example, in the morning, okay, your mind is fresh. What I will do today? What strategy I will use today? Malaysian SNR, a 15-minute orb, or this trading like institutions strategy. This guru is telling us today. So it's up to the trader. Okay, I just exposing to you all these strategies that I've learned through all the years of my trading. So it's up to you now what you will use. Okay, now you have the plan. For example, you want to trade like the institutions for today. Use proper stop losses beyond the liquidity zones. Okay, of course, for me it's always 50 pips, but for you it's up to you. It's your money. You can always adjust this. Minimum at least 1:2 return of or reward ratio. You can increase this to 1:5. If you see 1:10, much better. But at least trade at least 1:2. 1:1 is like break even. So that's not very practical. At least 1:2. Start with 1:2. Okay. If you see 1:3, better. 1:4, better. Now, key takeaways. Smart money hunts retail liquidity. Yeah, they always want to do that. Recognize the traps to avoid the losses. Trade with institutional footprints. Now you are seeing this, okay? Because in time, with a lot of practice, you will now see these institutions stepping in. It's like you can see their footmarks, okay? So you can see them, okay? They are now manipulating, starting to manipulate. They have seen the liquidity pool there, all the equal highs there or the equal lows, and then they will target this. Patience and discipline are essential. Huh? All right. Conclusion, trading like institutions give you an edge. Yes, because it's now like you're one of them. Stop trading like retail. Start thinking like smart money. Yes, mastery comes with practice every time. All right. And now we come to this. Let's just finish this, then we can go to the charts. About Algoter. Algoter is quantitatively driven trading company focusing on market making and multi-asset trading. Its expertise spans various assets classes, including futures, options, stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Algoter is a quantitative trading service company with over 10 years of experience in strategy development, focusing on proprietary trading. So let the numbers talk. You can always read this in the Algoter's website. Spread this to your friends and your family, and they will get to know about this amazing company. All right, my friends. And as you know, we have a copy trading feature here where copy trading lets you automatically replicate the trades of expert traders in real time. When they buy or sell, your account does do so without manual effort. Start with only $100. I believe some of you have availed this. Why not? It's only $100. Huh? It's nothing much. It's not much. Contact our Algoter managers, my friends, and they will gladly assist you, explaining to you everything how to avail this this feature. All right. Okay. You can make money on the side here when you are a busy person in the morning. Okay. Uh, this uh, this will do it automatically for you. And when you reach home later in the night, and you made some money, even while working. Very nice on the side. So avail, my friends. You have nothing to lose, but only to gain. Very nice. All right. And as you know, we also have this insurance program where you keep 100% of any profits you make. Originally, this was $1,500 to subscribe, but now uh, Algoter is giving you for only 500, and you can avail this. Okay, you can always keep any 100% of any profits you make. So, and in this table here, okay, there's a sweet spot here of $6,000 where a return of investment of 26.79% is guaranteed. So there's also many perks here like daily 2 to 5 signals, all right, and much, much more like 24/7 trade support. So if you want to understand more of this insurance program, contact any Algoter managers and they'll be glad to assist you. All right, my friends? And as you know, we are trading in Zoe. Zoe is a global financial technology company under the Zoe Group, headquartered in the United Kingdom with operational centers in Hong Kong and the United States. Specializing in CFD trading, Zoe offers a diverse range of financial products, including forex, precious metals, oil, indices, and US shares. Zoe is fully regulated, offering a secure professional trading experience with competitive fees, fast execution, and powerful tools to grow your investments confidently. Powered by TradingView, and also this is available in Google Play and App Store, where you can download to your iOS or Android devices. There's the QR code there. Scan it now if you haven't done so, and also spread this to your friends and your family who want to explore the forex space, and they can trade on the go anywhere. All right, my friends. And lastly, our secret giveaway. You should have availed at least $100 with this, my friends. So avail, please. Do yourself a favor. Okay, treat yourself. You can have this 50% deposit bonus automatically. Yeah, no questions asked. 100, you will get 50. 500, you will get 250, and 1,000, you will get $500 extra. Who will give you $500 extra? Even your mayor, your barangay captain will never give you $500. But Algoter is there, and this is the chance of the lifetime. So avail now. Take this chance, my friends, and trade 50% more money to trade, right? All right, very good. Yes, Mr. Jerome. Thanks for the thumbs up. I think you get the humor there. So now we've done that, we can now go to the charts. All right. So typically, I'm showing you the gold chart, but now, no, para maiba naman. Okay, we will do one of the major currency pairs, Euro USD. All right. So watch carefully, my friends. Very easy. Let's say this is your chart. Okay, you want to trade, but what time is this? Okay, if you are using the trading session indicator, you will know it's very easy now. This is Tokyo, the green one is London, and New York is the New York. And sorry, the orange one is the New York. And here it's 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock is what? It's not yet Asia or Tokyo session. It's Sydney. Sydney is now trading this. All right, choppy price action here. So just keep on waiting, until you see some trade setup. Okay, Tokyo begins. So okay, you see, this is now what, 8:30. Maybe you're thinking market's going down today, but still very early in the day. So you cannot assume, huh? Because I hate assuming what the market will do. Okay, we need to see the signature of the market that day. You will see this the longer you will let it go and just do its thing. So 8:30 is still early. Maybe you're driving to your office. Okay. And then, okay, you see the Tokyo, very famous in the sideways action there. Okay, now you see, oh, this is equal low. Maybe this is the liquidity later on. Yes, you're right. So you are thinking, stop losses are here. The buyers are putting their stop losses there. Because now that's how you are thinking, based on what I told you. The stop loss, maybe they're buying, but let's see. And then you are looking at your MACD. Maybe this is a crossover now. Yes, it's time to go up. Now you are seeing some green candles there. Yes, maybe, yes. And then what you are seeing now, aha, some, what do you call this? Bearish, bearish pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, right? So you're thinking, is it going down or down now again? I don't know. I'm confused. So more price action, more time. Okay, by this time, now it's outside the blue box, right? Now you are thinking Asia is finished. Now maybe London, because now it's 3:15. Maybe some breakage of the high or the low here, whichever will come, because London either will try to go for the manipulation to the upside or to the downside, right? So you wait, my friend. It manipulated the downside, so maybe yes. Okay. Now what you will do? What you will do? Now London is there. Now I'm seeing some bearish pattern here. Now we have one here. We have one here, right? Okay. What did I told you? This is an order block, right? Based on our lesson, maybe this is another order block. So now you are starting to plot this, and then you are seeing some FBG here. Now you are confused what I'm doing. I'm happy-go-lucky. I don't know. Now it's time to check what you will do. Okay. Now just imagine you are in a 15 minute. Huh? It taps the FBG. Maybe I should sell. Maybe I should sell, my friend. Okay. I should sell. You cannot wait. I want to capitalize. I'm waiting since morning. I want to capitalize. Now it's what is this? What time is this for? 5 o'clock? Yes, 1700 hours. I cannot wait. I want to target at least the New York's low here. Okay. Oh my God. Now I'm in negative. Oh, my stop loss is hit. Because you are not thinking like the institution. What is this order block here? And what is this equal highs here? All the stop loss is there. My friend, I told you, think like. What is the subject for tonight? Trading like, not unlike. All right. Now it's going there. Some retest on that FPG now is inverted, and there you are. There you are. The institutions have entered, triggering all the stop loss here. And then body closing with the bearish engulfing to the downside, right? That's it. Now I want to enter. Let's remove this. You will not be confused. This is a very good bearish engulfing. So you will get your short position there. It triggered the stop hunt there. There. Now what you will do? What you will target? Normally, you will target the loss of the New York or the London, right? Yes, that is the very logical thing to do. So let's target this. New York low, stop loss. Now this is the problem because now this is a very big, very big candle there. That is hundreds of pips there. So what is your reward ratio here? 5.65. 1 is to 5 is very good, right? All right, very good. Very good. 1 is to 5. In our lesson here, he said, what is your reward ratio? 1 is to 2 minimum, not, but here you have 1 is to 5. So that is fine. You will target this, right? Very nice. So moving on, let's see if this will now hit your, because you've done your thing, you waited, you see the stop hand, now the institutions are there. All right. Now, look what happened, my friend. If you will place your trade there, all right. But where is your chalk? Where is your chalk? Change of character. Wait for change of character. Did you wait? Yes, you see the grab stops. You identify the swing high there, liquidity above, but you didn't wait for this. Where it should happen, if this is the okay, the change of character should happen here somewhere. It should break this, but you cannot wait. Now you are now gambling. Who knows what will happen here? Maybe it will reverse here. I don't know. But let's see. Let's just target this at least because this is also a good indication, good conference for you. A big bearish bull engulfing there, and then your MACD is about maybe to have the crossover. Yes, maybe. Yeah, let's try. Oh, you see, that's the problem. It hit your stop loss now because you're not thinking like the institution. Now you lost that trade. Maybe now it will reverse. Now you're scratching your head. What I will do? Oh, a bearish engulfing again. Maybe yes. So you start again. Okay, you want to get your money back. Enter there. Stop loss above that, and you will target the New York's high. Still not waiting for the change of character. Huh? Maybe yes. Maybe it will hit your TP. Congratulations. So you won this. So the reward ratio here, even this is very high. Huh? This stop loss here is very high, my friend. Huh? If you will see, if I will, if you will put your stop loss there, it's 1 is to 2. But if you will lessen this, maybe halfway there, no, it's 1 is to 5. Very nice. So you hit that. So congratulations there. And now you have successfully made the change of character, right? Very nice. Wait for the change of character. 1, 2, 3, done. Reversal from OB with FBG as target. So you've done that. Okay. Let's say you remove this. Reversal from OB. Where is the OB? This? It will go back there? I don't know. How crazy is that? Huh? Maybe this. This is an OB. But it's already done here. Okay. Price action went through that. So it's not doing anything. It should be coming from there. and reverse here, but it went there and went to that OB. And here it bypassed this OB. So something is going on. But let's see, maybe something is going on here. Hmm. Okay, it taps that OB, right? Okay, very nice. And it taps there. Again, it's going there. And then what, my friend? What you notice there? That is another bearish engulfing. No, this could act as another OB here. Always do this. This will really make you a good trader because now you are spotting patterns. Okay, candlestick bearish engulfing. Wow, order block. Okay, so what to do now? You should enter. Maybe it will, when there's things like this, it will always retrace. Huh? Not 100%, but majority of the time, like 95%, it will do some pull back to that order block. Hmm. You see, that's the pullback. And think because it has done this. Now, once you see this pullback and giving you this bearish candles here, what do you want more to do, my friend? Sell. Check your MACD. What you will target? This low? No, you will target more like this. Okay. What is your reward ratio here? 1:6. Wow. Now your risk to reward is going bigger. In this scenario, my friend, okay? This is now really pushing it, huh? But who knows? Anything can go, but it's all up to you, huh? But for me, what did I tell you? Target at least the first Asia you can see, and then what you find the key level. Okay, any point in the chart that's some reaction there. You see, this it went there, and then it went down. It went there, it went down. So there is some resistance going on here, which is now become support because it broke there. So this is now support. Okay, it was resistance before, and now it becomes support. Did it touch any candle back again? No. Until now, there's nothing. This is still fresh. So you will target this one. Yes, you will target this support, acting support. Okay? So everything is done, and just watch happens. Let's pray this, my friend. Huh? Wow, very easily. That is how you will do that. Okay, this is initially your target, but you see something here. Okay, there's some reacting here, some price reaction here, and then I told you that will act as the support. Okay, it hit it. The TP hit. If you will continue, now it's really acting as support. Huh? Price is not going lower now. You see, because it's a key level. How nice. So that is how to trade like an institution. Trade like the institutions. All right, my friends. Now I've revealed to you another secret sauce for tonight with the combination of FBG, OB. All right, change of character. key levels, stop hunts, all these terminologies will now be in your forex mind. Don't forget order block, why it's happening. You see, after forming this order block, it taps there because it's what's really an order block because there's a very impulsive move to the downside there. And there will always be a retracement back there to seal the deal. Okay, that this is an order block. Place the trade there or a little further there. You are not sure now, yeah. Because once you get the hang of this, oh, this is an order block. I will put my sell order here or sell limit here. Once price hit my sell limit, I will be at the very top, okay, and then capitalize further with this long reward ratio. But if you are not sure, you need to see some rejection. Okay, it's fine. You even entered here on the second candle, so that is still fine. That is still a 1:7. Very nice, or almost 1:8. Huh? If you will, but we put it halfway that the line there, I got box there, so it's very nice. All right, my friends, I hope you understood the lesson for tonight. Otherwise, you can always watch this in YouTube, Algoter's YouTube channel in your most convenient time and master this strategy if you want such strategy in your trading. So if there's any more question, please do so now. We can wrap up this webinar. Any questions, my friend? Want me to clarify to you? All right. There's no question. I think everybody got it. I hope so. And I hope this will help you in your trading journey. Once again, how to trade like the institution. So always look for the stop hunt. When you see that, wait for the change of character there. All right. And then some order blocks on the way down because because once you see the change of character, all right, there's always a pullback, right? There's always a pullback, like 99%, there's always a pullback. It will create some OB here and just mark that OB. And once price went there, then you can enter here or here when you are expert now, or after that first candle, that's fine. And then just target the lows here onto the left, always look to the left. Why it went there? Malaysian SNR, fresh, not touched by any candle, virgin, fresh. This red, green, fresh. No one touched this. So it went there. So we are all looking at the same price action, but with a different strategy. All right. Some traders, okay, they will just draw their line there, their trend line there. The trend liners, maybe they will put their trend line there, like that or like this. And when they see the breakout here, they will enter there. So a lot of strategies. Some are just looking at their MACD, crossover. Exactly after the trend line, and then there's the crossover. No, this is the time to sell. So different strategy, but the same price action. So I hope you get the idea. That's what Forex is all about. Okay, my friends. So thank you again. So what is this? The Mr. Vivo. Sir, mayroon po video record. Pwede humingi. My friend, I will share to you. I will share to you the Algoter's YouTube channel. Huh? You see my face there in YouTube. Algoter. Okay, Algoter. That's me. Okay, just click this. Okay, anywhere there. Okay, Algoter, your trading assistant. That's it. And then you subscribe. Automatically you subscribe. And then go to the live. Okay, live portion here. And then you can see all these webinars here. All the killer sauce is there, my friend, for you. Okay. And this was Malaysian SNR I'm talking about. So trading like institutions will be there. They will stop this now anytime now. So Okay, my friends, Mr. Vivo, I hope you get this, huh? And for everyone who was wondering or curious, this is the way to do it. Algoter's Traders Hub, subscribe, my friends. Okay, enjoy, enjoy. All right, my friends, thank you for joining for today's webinar. Yes, very helpful for us. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, my friend, I am giving you all this in the golden plate. Okay? Kulang na lang, subuan ko pa kayo. But it's up to you, ah. To each his own. What is your discarte in life? It's up to you. But everything here is for free, ah. Okay, my friends. See you again next webinar next Thursday, where I will reveal another killer sauce. Okay. Thank you, my friends, and Sir Ronald Fernandez. Sir, I want capitals. Yes, contact our Algoter managers. Okay, if you are in the Telegram, are you in the Telegram channel? You have a Telegram. We have a Telegram channel there. Okay, just send the message there like any Algoter managers here. I want to copy trade, and then they will assist you. Now they will talk to you in private even to get this done to you. Okay, Mr. Ronald, I hope that clears. You can always go there. Are you in the Telegram? Let's clarify this now. Madami naman kasi nag-chat, hindi ko alam alin sa kanila ang totoo. My friend, tina mo, okay. Dito sa Telegram channel, okay, hanapin mo si Kaya. Okay? Kaya or Henry. Yan. Yung dalawa na yan, kontakin mo yan. Mag-message ka lang doon, hello, sino si Kaya dito? Sino si Henry? Pero English siya kasi mga ano yan, mga Chinese yan, okay? Kaya or Henry, yeah? So, okay, because I want help about copy trading. Pag nabasa nila yan, okay, matik na yun. Okay, Mr. Ronald, sir? All right, thank you, sir. Please avail of our copy trading because, yes, because we are very busy. You'll go to work, you want to earn some money on the side, copy trading, okay? Then it will do the trading for you the whole day. Okay, when you reach home and you will check your phone, I made $20. Not bad for $30. Who knows? Maybe $100 if you have more capital. But you have to try, you have to start with somewhere. Okay, that's it, my friends. Maraming magpapanggap na Algoter. No, 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 no. Mr. Henry, are you there? Mr. Henry, Kaya, are you there? Can you uh, can you assist Jerome Fernandez? Sir, since you are now in the Telegram chat, it's very easy for you. Kaya and Henry of Algoter, they will help you. Okay? Just be there and it's very easy. Okay? Don't worry, sir. All right. If there's any problem, Jerome, I already have Zoe and subscribe. All right, very good. Okay, for Mr. Ronald, just follow my simple advice. If you are in the Algoter's Telegram channel, just message Kaya or calling the attention of Kaya or Mr. Henry. I want some help on copy trading, and that's it. Automatically, they will assist you. Okay. And yes, Mr. Jerome, thank you very much, sir. You have installed Zoe and subscribe. Very good. Now fund this. Fund this to the best of your ability. If you have $1,000, very nice. All right. Get some help from our Algoter managers how to fund this. It's very easy. I'm using Gcash, okay, to fund these things. Okay. All right. That's it. I think everything is done. If there's any issue, you can always go to Algoter's Telegram channel and raise your concerns there. All right, my friends. Thank you for coming for tonight, and I'll see you next Thursday. All right. Good night. Bye bye.